My name is Renee Cross. I'm the Managing Director of Sunspray Food Ingredients. Our core technology is spray drying, which we utilize to manufacture food ingredients. The key to our technology is instantaneous heat, which we are able to get from the utilization of gas. All the tower burners are gas driven, so this facilitates the process and reduces our conditioning time substantially. The utilization of gas is in fact a very cost-effective method for us to prepare the tower for spray drying. In addition to that, we are on the main gas line for Johannesburg, which makes it an obvious choice for energy. The risk in spray drying is extremely high for explosions, and the utilization of gas is also a very big advantage for us to reduce that risk, because it can instantaneously be reduced, cut off, and it doesn't hang around in the tower, which could cause a risk for the spray drying and the explosion. We plan to roll out further gas utilization on site, and we're systematically changing all our previously reliant systems that we had using electricity to gas. So all geysers are being changed to gas. The site that we're on at the moment is our new site, and everything on the site is utilizing gas from Egoli. So we're very pleased to have a partner that's reliable and who also services our units systematically. This, in addition to our current maintenance, makes our costs for running with gas quite low and very effective for our cost model.